Justice for Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, justice for this man. Nnamdi Kanu has overstayed in visit in that DSS custody. Yes, this man don't do anything wrong when they say they keep him for this long. See, make a tell na one of the reasons that make Nnamdi Kanu never get in freedom.
Hello my fellow Biafrans, welcome back to Nnamdi official YouTube channel. If it is your first time coming to my video, kindly subscribe to this channel so that anytime I do a video, you'll be the first person to see it. And do not forget to like, share and drop your opinion in the comment section. Make not just calm down and listen to this our brother. This our brother we did for my scheme like this. He talk a lot of things concerning Nnamdi Kanu, and this thing that happened to Nnamdi Kanu. He said that he knows what is happening to Nnamdi Kanu, that Nnamdi Kanu's brother is the one that hold Nnamdi Kanu in detention. So make not just calm down and listen to him, and don't forget to share this video so that this video will go viral. Thank you and God bless you. One love.
Justice for Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, justice for this man. Nnamdi Kanu has overstayed in visit in that DSS custody. Yes, this man don't do anything wrong when they say they keep him for this long. See, make a tell na one of the reasons that make Nnamdi Kanu never get in freedom. Now his own brothers, Igbo people, Igbo leaders, they are the reason why this man is still remaining under the DSS custody. Me, I never see anything where this man do when they say him bad. There's freedom of speech. Yes, there's freedom of speech in our constitution. And someone speak in mind, you want to silence that person. For what? Because of say you get little power. Nnamdi Kanu need him freedom back. Yes, DSS free Nnamdi Kanu. He doesn't kill nobody. He doesn't steal. He is not a bandit. He is not a criminal. He is not a kidnapper. He is just a freedom fighter. And he's fighting for the betterment of this country. You people kept him there. What is the essence of you keeping him there? While we have important thing to face. The bandit are disturbing the nation. You people have nothing to say. But someone you just came out on social media and came out freely to speak in mind. You people got him arrested for no reason. Nnamdi Kanu need him freedom. Yes, justice for Nnamdi Kanu. Now me talk am. As you all know, this is Tuma Kudus.
The Mazi himself, Nnamdi Kanu, said the same thing some years ago, that we should protect ourselves against Fulani herdsmen, that nobody is coming to save us. We are the one that will save ourselves. The same thing, part of the reason why they are holding Nnamdi Kanu till today. Person wey don't free since 2022. The court don't strike everything off. He was supposed to be free. They are still holding him. They are still detaining him. DSS Oga come outside is telling us the same thing now, that we should protect ourselves against Fulani herdsmen, and they not do anything. No. Why are you holding Nnamdi Kanu? Everything wey Nnamdi Kanu talk, everything wey he talk, it dey happen right in front of all of us eyes. Nnamdi Kanu still their life. He never pine. All the prophecy he gave us is happening. So why are you holding Nnamdi Kanu? Why is still Nnamdi Kanu in your custody? Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu is still in detention today. The only thing he wants is just the freedom for his people. Nnamdi Kanu does not care about Nigerian natural resources. He don't care. He just wants freedom. Freedom when everything he wants for him people. He is our prophet. He is our man. He is our father. He did for us. He stood for us. It is our time to stand for him now that he needs us. Free Nnamdi